One of the most anticipated features of WhatsApp is finally available. It is about the possibility of sending photos and videos to an individual or group chat that disappear once they have been viewed by the recipients. This feature allows you to have more control over the content you share through the platform. Sending self-destructing media is just as easy as sending content on a regular basis. To do this, open the individual or group chat which you want to send your photo or video. Next, click on the camera icon to take a new photo or video, or on the clip icon to attach it from your phone's gallery. Once you have the content you want to send, you must click on the icon of the circle with a number 1 that appears on the right of the box to add text. Then press the send icon. Now you will see that the app alerts you that the photo or video is set to be viewed only once. If you want to reverse the process, you just have to press the circle icon with a 1 again to send it normal. The content sent will not be previewed in the chat, but instead a 1 followed by the word photo will be displayed and you only have to click once on it to see it. Once viewed, it will not be able to be seen again. In addition, this type of content cannot be downloaded directly to our computers when we receive it.